Stock number 2356, 2014 Maserati Ghibli front end assembly. Actually, this may be the Quattroporte. Hit here on the driver's side. We need a new headlight that is broken. Bumper cover has a few sort of bruises down here on the lower valance from the forks, some scratches. Also have park assist. Here is your passenger side headlight. Everything's good to go. Fender's nice and complete. Hood. No damage to your hood. The hood's good. As is the driver's side fender. Comes with the cooling. Got your fan assembly, condenser, radiator, under the hood fuse box, your reservoirs, washer bottle, coolant bottle, your under the hood plastics, fender liners. Stock number 2356, 2014 Maserati Quattroporte front end assembly in stock now.